If your school has signed up for the full DabbledooMusic curriculum, you will have received an email with the subject DabbledooMusic Access. Click on the link in this email to take you to the enrolment page. Now click on the Enroll for Free button. If you have already created a DabbledooMusic account, you will now be enrolled and can continue to the full curriculum content. If you have not previously created a DabbledooMusic account, you can do so by entering your name, email address, and create a password. Tick the box if you wish to receive instructional emails including monthly shortcuts to planning content. The full curriculum includes content for each class from junior infants to 6th class and a range of extra courses including folk songs and Irish music. Yearly and monthly planning content is available in both PDF and Word document. All listening content, videos and links to interactive resources are contained within each weekly